The main grounds of the appeal was that permission for felling of so many trees were given, and from their point of view, there were some. They were telling that some procedures are not followed, the marking of the trees have not been done. Hence, they have come for filing an appeal under the Preservation of Tree Act. So, the contention of the respondents, the two respondents, the Director of Civil Aviation as well as the Deputy Conservator of Forest, was that the provision for the felling of the trees were given because the land in question is a government land. The land belongs to Government of Goa, and the permission which has been given for the felling of tree the land belongs to Government of Goa. So, under the Preservation of Tree Act, the Government of Goa land will not be forming a part of the PTA. PTA generally is not applicable under the Preservation of Tree to the land which is belonging to the government. The Federation of Rainbow Warriors have already filed a case in the Principal Bench of Honorable NGT in the month of November, wherein all these facts were brought about by them, and they have already told that these aspects have been told to NGT also. NGT is already seized of the matter. So when the case is already sub judice, so as an appellate authority under the PTA, it was beyond my purview to take a call in this matter.
आणि हो जो आमचो एपेलेट ऑथॉरिटी कॉन्जर्वेटर ऑफ फॉरेस्ट सांगता तो फक्त हातूंतल्यान भायर सरूंक सोदता आनी ताका हो इश्यू मेरिट्साचेर फॅक्ट्साचेर ताका कन्सिडर करपा नाका. सरकारान आनी फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट इतलेंच सांगूं जाय आसलें की झाडाक तुमी पयलीं नंबर तरी घाला आनी पयलीं एटलिस्ट कावंट करा, कित्याक 1 लाखा वयर झाडां आसा आनी 21,700 झाडां मारपा परमिशन दिलां आनी सायटीर नंबर नासतना कावंट करनासतना सगळीं झाडां मारप चालू आसा.
जितली दारां दिसता सगळे खटखटयतले आमी. जितले ऑप्शन्स आमचे कडेन अवेलेबल आहा सगळे ऑप्शन्स वचून तेंचे दारां खटखटयतले. सगळे मंत्र्यांची गरज पडले पांय धरतले, पूण हे गोंयचो असो निसंतान करूंक आमी कशेंच दिवचे ना.
कोणाच कडेन गेलो जाल्यार ते सगळे मेळोन आहात आनी मेळोन सगळे आसल्या कारणान न्याय कोणाकूच मेळचो ना अशें दिसून येता. आतां जर मोपाचो प्लॅटो पळयत आनी ती आतां जर झाडां कापता ती पळयत जाल्यार अक्षरशः रडोंक येतले, थंय पळयत जाल्यार रडोंक येतले. आनी झाडां वाटायली जाल्यार त्या झाडां खातीर जाय ते 40 ते 45 झरे आहा, ते झरे आतां उरचे ना. झाडां कापले जाल्यार फुडल्या सिजनाक आमकां उदकूय मेळचें ना आनी उदका खातीर आतां हो एक व्हडलो प्रॉब्लेम आहा.